Motorola Razr Plus 2025. Review: a capable flip phone. Imagine a phone that flips open to reveal a world of possibilities, but falls short in a few crucial areas. Welcome to the Motorola Razr Plus 2025 review. Priced at $999.99, this capable flip phone sits comfortably in the middle of Motorola's 2025 lineup, between the entry-level Razr, $699.99, and the premium Razr Ultra, $1,299. We adore its sleek design, robust build quality, seamless connectivity, and intuitive user interface. The ability to run full apps on the cover display is a game-changer. However, we can't help but wish for better battery life and sharper cameras. But here's where it gets interesting. The less expensive Razr offers similar features and performance for $300 less, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, $1,099.99, packs more AI punch, a longer support window, and more vibrant photos for just $100 more. Design and display. The Razr Plus measures 3.47 by 2.91 by 0.6 inches closed and 6.75 by 2.91 by 0.28 inches open, weighing 6.67 ounces, nearly identical to its predecessor. The aluminium frame, rounded corners, and excellent external display make it a joy to hold. Available in hot pink, midnight blue, and mocha mousse, we tested the latter. The power button, volume controls, and SIM card slot are thoughtfully placed, while the titanium hinge ensures durability up to 200,000 folds. Performance and battery life. Powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor as its 2024 counterpart. With 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, the Razr Plus performs, well, identically to last year's model. Geekbench 6 scores reveal a single-core score of 1,881 and a multi-core score of 4,658, outperformed by the Razr Ultra 2,913 and 8,727, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, 2,267 and 7,594. The 4,000 mAh battery, unchanged from 2024, now seems underwhelming, especially compared to the Razr 4,200 mAh and Razr Ultra 4,700 mAh. Our battery test yielded 12 hours and 57 minutes, a significant downgrade from last year's 14 hours and 37 minutes. Cameras and AI. The 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and 32-megapixel front-facing selfie camera produce decent photos, but lack the finesse of traditional slab phones, like the Google Pixel 9 Pro, $1,999. The Razr Plus does, however, feature Google's AI photo enhancements, including Magic Editor, Blur, Unblur, and Magic Eraser. Motorola's Moto AI, accessible via a translucent icon, offers features like Image Studio, Playlist Studio, and Pay Attention, but requires a Moto account sign-in. Software and connectivity. Running on Android 15, the Razr Plus will receive 3 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of security support. A far cry from Google and Samsung's 7-year promises. The outer display provides access to almost all software, including full apps, games, and quick settings. NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and sub-6 GHz 5G, no millimeter wave support, round out the connectivity options. Final thoughts. The Motorola Razr Plus 2025 is a solid, if unremarkable folding phone. While it excels in design and outer display functionality, its battery life, cameras, and AI capabilities leave room for improvement. Weigh your options carefully. The Razr offers similar value for less, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 provides more performance and AI for a bit more. Rating 3.5 out of 5. About the author, Sarah Lord, mobile analyst at PC Mag, has always been passionate about technology. With a background in TV and home entertainment, she now covers wireless phones, plans, tablets, and more. A professional actor, Sarah brings a unique perspective to her reviews. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. Free Moto Watch Fit, huge discounts. How to get this foldable phone deal? Motorola is offering an exciting promotion that you won't want to miss. With the launch of the 2025 Razr Ultra, the company has slashed the price from $1,500 to just $1,300. And as a cherry on top, you will receive a complimentary Moto Watch Fit, which is valued at $200. This means that when you take advantage of this deal, you are saving a total of $400. The Razr Ultra is available in 4 stunning colours: Scarab Green, Cabaret Pink, Mountain Trail Brown, and Rio Red. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Motorola has a trade-in program that allows you to save even more. If you trade in select smartphones, you can receive an additional $200 off the Razr Ultra. For instance, trading in a 256GB iPhone 15 could reduce your total by $350, assuming the device is in good condition. When combined with the trade-in discount, your total savings could reach an impressive $550. This means that the original price of $1,500 for the Razr Ultra could drop to just $850, which is nearly a 43% discount. However, there is a small caveat. This promotion is only applicable to the 1TB version of the Razr Ultra. If you prefer the 512GB model, you will need to pay the full price of $1,300. ZDNET has highly recommended the 2025 Razr Ultra, declaring it the best Motorola phone available. This foldable smartphone is packed with impressive features, including 12GB of RAM and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is typically found in high-end devices. Users can expect exceptional performance from this device. The design remains compact, similar to its predecessor, but now boasts luxurious Alcantara and wood finishes. Reviewer Praka Khanna from ZDNET praised these finishes for enhancing grip and comfort compared to other flip phones. However, managing editor Kerry One had a slightly different take. While he appreciated the aesthetics, he noted that the softer materials tend to attract dust and fingerprints more easily. In addition to its stylish design, the Razr Ultra features the 7-inch Super HD OLED inner display, a robust 4,700 mAh battery, and a 50-megapixel main camera that captures stunningly detailed images. If you're on the lookout for the next best tech product, ZDNET recommends offers expert reviews and editor favorites to help you make informed decisions. Now, how do I rate this deal? The value of the Motorola Razr Ultra largely depends on how you utilize the promotion. If you simply opt for the discount and the Moto Watch Fit, I would rate the deal a solid 3 out of 5. While that's a decent score, if you take full advantage of the trade-in program, the rating skyrockets to a perfect 5 out of 5. I genuinely believe this is an unbeatable offer, so make sure to seize this opportunity while it lasts. As for the expiration of this deal, keep in mind that promotions can sell out or end at any moment. ZDNET is dedicated to finding and sharing the best product deals to help you save money. Our team consistently checks the deals we present to ensure they are still valid and available. If you happen to miss out on this particular offer, don't worry. We are always on the lookout for new opportunities to help you save, and you can find them at ZET.com. How do we evaluate deals at ZET.net? Our goal is to provide you with the most accurate advice to enhance your shopping experience. With 33 years of expertise, a team of 30 hands-on product reviewers, and a 10,000 square foot lab, we ensure that we bring you the best in technology. In 2025, we refined our approach to evaluating deals, creating a measurable system to share savings with our readers. Our editor's deal rating badges are attached to most of our deal content, making it easy for you to understand our expertise and make informed purchasing decisions. At the heart of this system is a percentage off-based classification for savings on top tech products, combined with a sliding scale based on our team's expertise and various factors such as frequency and brand recognition. The outcome? Tailored deals specifically chosen for ZDNET readers, fully supported by our experts. Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Massive price drop to Rs. 69,990 on Amazon. Unbeatable deal. Breaking news. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra just got a jaw-dropping price cut of Rs. 30,009 on Amazon.com. But for how long? If you've been eyeing a premium flip phone, now's your chance to grab an incredible deal. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, once priced at a whopping Rs. 1 lakh, has just been reduced to Rs. 69,990 on Amazon. But here's where it gets even more exciting. This limited time offer also includes a complimentary pair of Moto Bunts worth Rs. 5,999. So what makes the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra so special? For starters, its sleek and stylish design is sure to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. This phone packs some serious power under the hood. With a 4-inch LTPO AMOLED cover screen and a 6.9-inch full foldable display, you'll enjoy a seamless viewing experience. Plus, with a 165Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, you'll feel like you're right in the action. But don't just take our word for it, let's dive into the specs. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. That means you'll have plenty of room to store all your favorite apps, games, and memories. And with a dual 50-megapixel camera setup, complete with OIS and a 2x telephoto lens, you'll be able to capture life's precious moments in stunning detail. Of course, no phone is complete without a long-lasting battery. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra delivers with a 4000 mAh battery that supports 45 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and even 5 watt reverse wired charging. That means you can stay connected all day without worrying about running out of juice. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Amazon Prime members using the Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card can get an additional 5% cashback on their purchase. That's right. You'll not only get an amazing deal on the phone, but you'll also earn rewards just for using your app.